Do you guys love fall weather as much as I do? Well, I love it so much that I thought of making a video of how to make your own DIY fall decorations. So stick around and let me go ahead and show you what we're gonna do. But before we get started with the video, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mireille, and if you guys don't know me, pretty much I do woodworking, and I show you home renovations and stuff like that. I've been doing a lot of projects for other clients, so it's been a while. I haven't gotten into my own home renovation. Pretty much my living room is still on pause. But if you do love content like this, I invite you to subscribe and turn on your alert notifications so you can be alerted whenever I post a video. I will be posting more often. I know I always say that, but I think I'm getting better. I think I am. Yeah, I think I am getting better. So as I just mentioned, I've been doing a lot of projects for clients. I've been doing tables, big furniture pieces. That's taken a lot of my time that I needed for my home renovation. So because I needed more videos and I was thinking, you know, what can I do to still keep my channel, you know, up to beat and consistent. So I thought it would be cool to do some DIY projects with you guys that you can also do at home. And because fall season is here, it's been here, I've just been loving the weather here in Texas. I thought it would be a perfect time to do some cute little pumpkins out of, you know, wood or out of anything that you can find at home. Because I'm a woodworker, I'm going to be making them out of wood, and I'm going to be showing you guys too. Besides those little pumpkins, I'm thinking of also doing some little frames, other things that, you know, that we can do with just simple tools. Somebody wants to talk. Are you done talking, Sophia? Okay, I guess I can continue with my video. So besides those cute little pumpkins that I'm going to show you how to do, I also want to show you some cute little things that you can do with just spare wood, that, you know, extra 2x4s that you have. Something very affordable that you don't have to break the bank to, you know, to decorate your home. So I can't wait. Let's go ahead and get started on that. Also, just to let you know that most of these ideas are not mine. I found them in Pinterest. Some of the material that they use is going to be a little bit different than mine, and I don't know exactly how they make it. So just by looking at it, I'm just going to, you know, make up my own instructions. So if you want to learn how I make them, I am going to leave the material list as always down in the description box below, and some of the tools that you're gonna need will be links for them for Amazon. They are affiliated links, so I appreciate your support. And the instructions will also be down in a PDF file, just so you guys can go ahead and download them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. So on Pinterest, as you can see here, this is a picture that inspired me. It's really cute. This one is made out of wine cork. So I took the same idea, but I'm going to make it out of, let me show you what I'm gonna make it out of. Okay, so for this pumpkin DIY, we are going to be using this 1/2-inch wooden rods. They are 4 feet long. I got 2 of them. We're also going to be using a glue gun. I just bought this glue gun, and I'll tell you more about it. You're gonna need glue sticks. You're gonna need paint, paint brushes, and you are also going to need a saw. I don't think you can cut these with scissors. You are going to need a little bit of tools, and I found just the perfect tool for you. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but this is the saw that I got. It's a very tiny saw that is very good for all your small DIY projects. So I myself haven't opened it, but I did find it in Amazon. This one is a compact circular saw. It's 4.5-inch blade, and it's battery powered. They also have the ones that you can connect with a power cord, but I wanted for it to be cordless. So this one was about $100, but the ones that are with the ones that are corded you can find them from $30 to $40, $50. So that's definitely something that you must have to make all of your DIYs more easy. I learned that from my last video. Also, if you would like to know more about this brand and this product, I will be giving a full review once I've already, used it several times in my DIY projects. There she goes. There she goes. But yeah, go ahead and check out this video. Once it comes up, I'll let you know. So before I start cutting, I am going to be using a measuring tape to mark each cut. So like that, I can just pass it with my circular saw. I'm going to be using my measuring tape, and I'm going to be measuring about 1.5 to 2 inches. I'm still not sure. There are 29 pieces, so I'm hoping to make about 2 little pumpkins. Let's see how much I can make out of these little 2 wooden rods. Okay, I've measured all of my wooden rods, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Look at all these little tiny rods. Okay, so I've cut in a whole bunch of these. I have a lot of them. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with the glue gun. And if you have like these little things, little hairs like that, don't worry about it. Once like we have it all glued together and it's dry, we can go ahead and lightly sand it, but very lightly sand, and this should, we should be able to get rid of these. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my glue gun. This is a glue gun that I'm using, and I told you I was going to tell you more about it. I did buy this from Amazon. It's called New Master. I think it costed maybe $20, $30. I'm not sure, but it's super cool because it's wireless. Anything that's wireless, wireless. Anything that's cordless, I am into, because it makes me, it helps me move around easier and stuff like that. So I really recommend this one. I haven't used it yet. This is my first time that I'm going to use it, but you just turn it on. We're going to give it a second for it to heat up. And if you're working on the table just like I am, I'm just going to get a little tiny surface. This is just like a box from one of the packages that I just opened. And on top of here, I am going to be doing my little DIY project. So on the picture, it shows that it has five little wooden thingies on the bottom, followed by 6 on the top. The middle one is 7, and then it goes down to 6 again, and then 5 again. Okay, so I just tested my glue gun, and it looks like it's ready. Whoa, super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do the very first one. Like that, put a line, glue them together. Wow, it dries pretty fast. Do the next one. Do the next one. Okay, so we finished with the bottom, which is only 5 of them. It looks just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and layer the 6 little wood pieces on the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the center, which it would be a total of 7 of them. And then after that, I'm gonna do the same. I'm going to add 6 and then 5. So I'll go ahead and come back and show you how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and come back and show you guys how it looks like after it's done. Okay, so I'm done gluing the little pumpkins. They look so cute. I still need to paint them. I am thinking of putting some of this around the little end thingy here, whatever you call it. And And then I am going to be doing them in black. I'm thinking of doing black on the outside or something like that. I'm thinking of using black, white, and orange. So doing that. But I just want to say that if you don't have the power tools and you're not thinking of buying the power tools needed to cut, there are some things that I found in Hobby Lobby. I found this, it is a little bit more expensive, but I think it's doable. This circular, it says medium birch bark side round. You can do that too. I am going to be doing that. And all you can do is just get either something like this or something to add, you know, at the end. A wine cork, if you have one, that'll be really great. I also found smaller ones that you can do. Also, I found them in Hobby Lobby. These are wood slices. They were $6.99. It's a little bit more expensive. But you can do like a whole bunch of little ones. Like I said, again, just find something here like a little branch from outdoors, outdoor branch or something like that, and glue it. So yeah, these are other options that you guys have. Also, before I start coloring my pumpkins and stuff, I do have another fall decoration that we can do. I found these little cute signs at Hobby Lobby. I thought they were so cute. I think they're $2.99 if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, they were $3.99 and they come in 4s. And if you buy this, there's what I'm thinking of doing is connecting all of these to kind of make them stand up like that. And after they stand up, I have these metal letters that I also got at Hobby Lobby. They're about $2. They come 2 in each package. I have A, I have F, and I have L. So it's gonna say fall. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is get my glue gun, turn it on again, and I am going to let it sit and wait for it to get hot. While it's doing that, with this, I think it's called twine. I'm not sure what this is called, but this string right here that it already comes with, I am going to glue it to each back. So on the back, it's gonna go like this. It's gonna be something like that on the back. When you look at it in the front, it's gonna be like that much like that. Okay, so let's do that. Okay guys, so now that I have all 4 connected, it should look like that. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is gonna go ahead and paint each one of them black. So I finished painting all my little squares black while that's getting dry and everything. I also got this little black thin foam. You are going to need this to give the letters a little bit of definition, or like for it to look like it's 3-dimensional, that it's not flat. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a few squares for it to be the thickness of the letters. So this thickness, this much, like about 1/2 inch, this is what I'll be making the cuts of. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few squares, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I glue them. So with my scissors, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a thin cut all the way. Doesn't have to be perfect. So just cut a thin strip like that, and this one I'm just gonna cut like that much. I don't know if you guys can see it there. So I'm gonna cut that much, and it fits perfectly. Just the right size that I needed. So while the glue gun is getting warm, I want to show you guys the pumpkins. I already painted them. They look so cute. I did black on this side and then a stain. I think this stain is called, this color looks like a very light cedar color. But I thought it went well. I got this on discount because, you know, why not? It's $2.50. So this is how it's gonna look like. It looks really cute right now. I do have the other one. I did kind of mess up on this one, but that's okay. This will be just the front of it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. The only thing that I need to do on this one is wrap some of this twine. Is this called twine? Sorry, I don't know things. So I'm gonna wrap twine around the little top end here, and then just put a leaf in. Looks so cute. I also went ahead and painted this right here, and I think it's gonna look really cute if I just add like right fall on it with black. Why do I forget all the names of the things? Like, I don't get it. My little brush. So with my little brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and write fall on it in cursive. So let's see. Hopefully I don't mess up. So there you have it. I just, my letter is not the perfect, but I think it looks cute. You know, it still looks cute. Let's go ahead and check to see if my glue gun is ready. So I just finished gluing these two, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue just a few more. Alright guys, so I finished. These is the final look. Look at these little cute pumpkins. They're so cute. Literally awesome and super easy to do. I think I'm just gonna leave this as is. I like the raw look of it with just white and then for it to say fall. And then and this is how this other one looks like. Isn't this the cutest? And this can just like go can go just like on your table like that. So guys, that's all the time we have for today. Miss Little Sophia needs some attention, of course, but I just want to say that I had lots of fun creating these little DIY decorations for fall. That's all. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel again and you like content like this and you would like to see me do more DIY projects like this with no power tools, let me know in the comments down below so I can go ahead and know that you guys are interested and I can get more things to do for you guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one. Hi.